Welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog. Welcome to YouTube channel. I welcome everybody. I'm so happy that I have you again in the next part of this video, since our beginning parts, the part 1, part 2 till this very part of this video. This tutorial was on how to create mobile app for free, how to create mobile app without coding skill, how to create mobile app with your smartphone, whether tablets or normal Android smart device. You can create your mobile app and have a standard mobile game. And also, so in this video, after from the part 1, part 2 and the other parts till this very part, in our previous parts we I introduced to you, to my people, the different platforms based on what you see in the thumbnail. The pictures that we are seeing in part 3 of this tutorial, I indicate them one after the other, the one that I have taught. I list down all the icons of those platforms in the thumbnail of each of the videos. It always repeats, but the text on the ad will not repeat. So based on the tutorial in this video, I want to introduce to you another platform from that icon list that is on the thumbnail of the video. So sometimes you watch the video, it look as if the video want to contain the whole thumbnail that you are seeing there. I'm very sorry about that. It is not that way. It is part by part to avoid the long duration of the video. So in this part, because I'm doing this thing so that after you have watched, or so if you have not yet watched the other ones, I encourage you to watch it, so that after you have finished watching the whole video, the whole parts, we have about 5 parts to go through in this tutorial. So after you watch it, you will now know which one is easier, which one can you handle to become a software developer, app developer, standard game or whatever developer. So that is why I'm doing it different videos, part by parts. But the thumbnail may look similar, but the title and other things are not the same. So thank you for being with me from the very beginning of this tutorial till this very one. I'm still have another one to come in after this video. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you subscribe. This video is useful to you, it will be useful to others also. You share the video, click the notification bell, so that once I bring up another tutorial, another episode or the parts, you be one of the beneficiary of this tutorial. So in this video, I want to introduce to you the platform known as Kodular. Kodular is a platform that you can create mobile app. Maybe you are using Android phone, or you are using system like PC, laptop, personal computer, or you use smartphone, but the whole process of it is you are using browser, web browser. So that is why you can able to use it in different devices. So your first thing to do is to on your device, switch your keep your data connection on. Once you finish that, you open your browser, maybe Chrome browser, but I'm using Chrome browser so that you'll be able to have it very well. So you on it. Once you on it, let's go.
Welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog, your ultimate destination for everything related to app development, website blog tips, tech tutorials, business strategies, and making money online. If you're ready to dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship and unlock unlimited potential, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who share your passion for technology and online business. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Remember, your feedback helps us grow and improve, so don't hesitate to reach out. You can also comment in the description. Now, let's get started and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in.
So now you want to look for the platform name. Already I mentioned it, known as Kodular. So you click on this search or type URL option here. So once you click on it, you are now to type the URL. You type it Kodular. You can see it here, Kodular creator. You can write Kodular. Once you click the send button, once you send it, this is the first option here. So once you see the first option here, this is the first option that you see. You click on the second, the option that you see, this is the platform, this is how it look. The thing you have to do here, once you have it like this, you click on this area. You click on here. So if you want to know more, you can click here to say see more. So if you want to see more, this is the platform how to be in your device, smartphone device, tablet device. So you see there that Kodular, it's a powerful tool for you. So we provide several models and services to create Android apps without coding. Just scroll down a little bit to check them. So once you scroll down, there are things, the interface, the introduction to those places and what you need to do, and some of they have maximum stability. Other services are there. They have team that they can help you with some challenges if you have any challenge in your coding process. Maybe you have error, you encounter some things, you join the community and they'll be able to see you through and you'll be able to have your app in seconds. So we don't want to waste time here. We move to the click create button. So once you click on that create button, it will take us to the platform itself, the create of seed or Kodular. So you now say, oh, it say oops, it seems you are on mobile device. It's not recommends to use it here as some features can be displayed wrongly. So please try to use a computer instead. So this information is like in case of you experience some wrong user experience or interface, so you know that, oh, it's suitable for computer, but I can still show you how you can use smartphone without this thing showing that. You will change your browser to desktop mode if you still need to have correct interface, if in case of necessity that you must use computer. So you make sure that you open your or change your browser interface to browser mode to desktop mode. So that's how it will work. Everything will be like you are using computer, like laptop or desktop. So you click on the OK. So once you click on the OK, it will not affect you. We will still be able to do what we want to do. But before we move into the to the procedures of creating app, you must have an account with them like others of the platform. Apart from the 40 part 1 that of this tutorial, we didn't need to have any account, but it was application that have save data in your device. But in others of the other ones, it does not save any data into your device, but it has its own cloud, online cloud, that you save all your data, so that whenever you want to come back to do some modification to your apps, you'll be able to log into your accounts and see all the apps that you have created with them, and you'll be able to do some modification. So yeah, you need to have an account with them. If you don't have any account with them, yeah, there are many options that you can use. You can use Koku Gmail account, you can use GitHub account, you can use X, which is Twitter account. So or you can create the account manually. So you click on the create an account here, create account. So once you click on the create account, it will bring to you another page like this, says sign up to your Kodular account. So the first thing is for you to enter your name, whatever name you want to use, you use it. So the next thing is for you to enter your Gmail or your email address. So once you finish that, you click on the next button and finish the procedures. Once you finish the procedures, you'll be able to log in, maybe automatically or manually. If you have to log in manually, you come here and put your Gmail that you added. You put your Gmail, your email address, and your password that you'll be provide in the registration area. So once you finish that, you come here and put the two things, Gmail and password. You log in. Once you log in, I want to log in my own because I have an account with them already. So I want to log in now. So we go further. Okay, I have logged into my account. So once you log in, maybe you are here, you see a page like this again. So you continue in the create apps. So if you don't see it, maybe they will redirect you to that where we want to reach now. The interface, sometimes after your login, you may automatically bring to this place, or sometimes they bring you end where we just click to reach here. So if you are here normally, so you see there are things here. This is interface. I'm not using desktop mode. I'm using normal interface because the interface of it is like the desktop browser interface. So desktop interface. So you see the options here. So the platform is you have to you pay money to upgrade to premium, or you can use free to create your app. So the platform also have some things you need to set up, like if you want to do donation and other things. So if you want to know more about the platform, you comment in the comment section while we are embarking on the journey of this episode. Tell us what you want to know about the platform in the comment section. I will move forward to bring to you the solution and the information. So now you have to do is to click on the projects. Create project. If you don't have any project, this is my first project, like the test starter project that I created in the app free. Is I'm not paying anything. So here you, since you don't have any project, here would be empty. So you click on this place known as create projects. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you have to give a project name. The project name, what's your project name? This project name, because you say okay, I want to do, let's say, test app. I want to test the application, test app. So the project is that it is not the app name. No, let me inform you that the project name is not the application name. The project name is where your app, the folder of the app, the file that will contain the app. So you don't need to give a space. It does not require space. You have to either you put underscore or you join it, or you can do underscore. So once you finish that, you move to the side or you bring it down like this. You see there is next button here. You click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, what you have to do this now, we are here to give our app name. This is a page for the app name. You say configure your projects. So these settings can be changed later. Yes, it can change later. You can change it later. So what you have to do, the first thing is to give your give a name to your app. What's the app name? Me, I want to say or I want to say let's say color changer. So the default theme, how do you want it to be? The next thing is the default theme. As you can see it on the screen here, you see it also on your screen. Sometimes you are not able to understand my own screen, so sit there. Default, once you click here, you want to say, do you want to set it in light theme or dark theme or default? So how do you want your, if you keep it on default, it's good, so that the default is that it will recognize the theme of the device, each of the devices. So if the device change their theme, it will follow be dark mode. So if the theme is light, it will follow on light. So keep it at the default. So the next thing we have here is the minimum SDK level. So this place is very important. So once you are here, you don't need to choose something higher, because it is good to use this minimum one like Android 5, so that any devices from above Android 5 and above can be able to use your app, and this will help you to increase your traffic to your app. Because if you want to use higher level targets, it will like minimum level like Android 11. That means people from Android 5 to Android 10 will not be able to install your app and use it in their devices. So allow it in this default Android 5.0 API 21. So the next one is the package name. You see, we have opportunity to set up our package name. Like I taught in the other level part of this tutorial, the package name is very, very important. You must know how you set your package name on any of for any. But first of all, use com. The next one is your developer name. Then the last one will be your app name, like com dot your developer name dot the name of the app. For example, see what I want to do. That's the very best way to set package name for application. Even Coco, even signing key will repeat the same name. It will allow your app to look as if it is verified. So com dot, let's assume say com dot unlimited monies dot what was my the name of my app, color changer dot color. I can say color. I can say color changer. So any I want to do it, if you are if the character limits does not, or can allow you to fix the name, or you can fix if the character limit does not allow you to fix the name, or you can short the name of your app. You can say dot color, color c, changer color, all those things. So once you finish it that way, the next thing we have here is to set our primary colors, the primary color dark, and all those things. So you can select here, the color will be purple. You zoom in your screen so that you see the color. You select, you want to select something like yellow, you click on the sets. You select the dark mode to see, maybe black, the dark mode should be black. You click on the sets. So you set the accent color. What will be the accent color? It was, since it was using yellow, so you go with orange, kind of the color. You click set to set it. So the next thing here is I think we have finished the setup, the first setup configuration. Click on the finish. Once you are done, you click on the finish, button here. So click on the finish and finish it. So it will be loading, our app will be open. So it says getting things ready. As you can see, the interface of this place, how it is itself, and you have only screen. This is the screen, first screen, like something like activity, page activity. This is first screen. If you still want to know more about all these things, let me know in the comment section. And you are to drag in all these interfaces that are here. I will show you one by one all these interfaces that are here. These views, you call them palettes. Design your app interface first before you put them into actions, the logics. If you want to see your interface, first of all, there is a cap here. If you want to see, there is cap between in these two places, this cap. So if you want to make this particular cap to be wide than this one or this one, you click on these arrows. You see some arrows behind it, so touch the arrow once, it will shift that one to the other side. When you see it here, see I have touched it, it shifts it to the other side so that I can see my interface, so that we will be able to know how our app will look like. So anything that you get it here, you drag into this screen and set it to design it here, that the way you design it here is the same way you will see it. It will appear also when user open the app. You shift to this side, you see we have palette here, user interface. So like the user interface, the other one is layout. Layout is all these linear 1, linear 2, and all those things. So once you click here, you look for layout. So want to do some design, want to do some designs, like some logics to create the app very short. Remember, there's no app icon yet. I will show you before I launch the app. Click on the general. Once you click on the general, you get all those things. You see, once you click it, there's result. Once you click on this place, the result is in this small line. So if you want to get the result that is in this small line, you touch this small line once, it will extend, this thing will expand. You see now it has expanded. Close the other part so that we'll be able to see what we choose from the other side to this side. So now we want to use the vertical arrangement, something that is vertical, in vertical form. So you drag it into this screen of this emulator device. So once you put it there, you see we have it here. So now you move to this side, you move to this particular area to arrange, set the sizes, everything that are here that belongs to this thing. So you, once you do it like this, shift it to the right sides of your device here, so it will expand. Let me be able to get something from there. Okay, it has expanded. You can zoom in to view it very well. So once you zoom in, I want to use, I'm not the button is not in layout, the button is in user interface. I click on it. Once I click on it, I have some, the results are here, those blue colors that you are seeing here. So I click on that place once, the downside, so it will open. I have button here, this is the button. So the next thing is for me to drag in the button into the screen. Design, I have finished the design, not yet. I will now move to the logic so that we can run the app. So let me move to the logic. How to do logic in this platform? Let me zoom it. So you have something understand here. Two area here. The other one is design. Design is the interface, what we can design here. Now we are in under design. Now we want to do the logic. We want to put this action, this button into action. When this button click, this background color will change to different colors. So that's when we touch on these blocks. You can see the viewer of it. So this here is empty. We will drag all the necessary block we need to use to this place. So the first thing we have to do is, once you are here, you have to initialize the screen. If you have anything that you want to show first, to hide, you have to click on this area known as screen. If you zoom, you will see it here. These are the things that anything that you drag in there, it will show here. So these things that you need to use. So you click on this area known as screen. This is the one that you want to use. When screen 1 initialize, do what? So we bring in that one, touch it. Once you touch it, it will take you to the this thing. Anywhere this thing is, you can still work anywhere it is. Either you want to make it to top or wherever it's working. So when the screen is initialized, what will happen? We set the background color of that color to the color. We look for the set vertical background color. Sit here, set vertical background color. Sit here. Once you put it, it will enter. So next thing is, we have the front here. We need to put the color. What will be the color? The color too. So we want to put the color here. We pick the blue. Once we pick the blue, we put it here. So the blue is there. So now we finish the initialization of it. So after the initialization, the next thing we want to do is, when the button click, that's the command option. It's known as when button 1 click, that's the first one. So you drag it into this place. Now pick that same linear vertical known as here. So you put it. This one that you put now means it will set background color. From now, I want to set background color in different colors that will be able to change in different colors. So that in color form, color has 2 or 3 part of segment. The color is red, green, blue. So the red can take 0 and between 0 to 225 of the color numbers. So the green, the same thing. So now I want to run the app. But before we run the app, like I said, I will show you how to set your app icon. So what you have to do next is to click on this setting icon that you see here. We have option, it says app setting. The icon of the app here, we have no icon. You see, it's shown us none. So we have to upload it from here. Click the cloud icon. So once you have something like this, you have no reason to preview. So we have to click on the upload assets. You click, I will upload my own. So I have uploaded my own. Now you want to touch on the box to preview to see which icon do you have. Even if you want to put something like 3, so you click on here, the preview, it will load. Touch on the file, it will preview, see what I want to put. This is my icon. So now I have my icon. I click on the close button to close them. So once you add your icon like that, you come down here and click on the drop down menu. Click on the drop down menu, it will show list the icon. This is the one that we just added. So you touch on it, it will now set. So once it sets, if you want to know if it is set, you click on this forward like preview button. It will preview to you. This the icon. So you click on the X and top there, it will close. Now we have set up our app icon. What we have to do is to run our app. So we need to close the area and run our app. Bring it down. If you want to run your app, let me zoom it. If you want to run your app, is to click on the export. This is the export. So you click on the export. Once you click on the export, you see an option, 2 options there. You have 2 options. You want to bring in the AAB file. The AAB file is for the Google Play Store, like I used to say, Android app unbundle, or you bring the APK. So you want to go on the APK because we want to install the app in our device and test it. So we click, it shows us that joining the app icon, like it's trying to load. It's trying to load. Now the packaging your app is packaging. So we have to wait for the complete 100% so that know that the app is finished compiling. So either you copy the link given to you here to paste on your other place to download, or you click on the download button, download APK. It will start processing and to download to into your device. So you click on the download anyway. You don't mind the information because it's APK. So you click it. Loading, it's finished download. So I open it. I need to install my app. As you can see, we have it a color changer. So I need to install my app. I install it. Look at my icon. I believe it works for you also. If you have any challenge, comment in the comment section, share the video, let me know. So like I used to say, I will not open the app direct from here. I will close and go to the screen so that you observe and you understand that this app is not emulation, not stimulator. The app is real app, real APK app. So let's go. I minimize it. So you can see the icon here. This is the app that we just created from the Kodular platform. So I open the app. You see the launch. You can see the button here. Everything that I designed. I told you that the way you design your app is the way it will look. Look at it here. So here is showing screen one. You can make changes to all these things. You can change them. I will show you all those things. If you want to know more about the platform, comment in the comment section. So let's click on the button. You see the color is changing. The color is changed. Once you click on the button, it's changing to random colors, different colors. Remember that all these colors, we didn't set a particular color, we didn't mention a particular name for the color. So you can create some app like this known as app or color changer or color picker app with this platform. So once you can add something like text view that will, once the color come up, it will make a text the name of the color or color code. So someone that want to pick a color can copy the code and use it in his HTML coding or whatever. So once you click continue changing, it's changing the colors, the backgrounds. You can make it to change automatically like animation. So that is how you to create app with Kodular. I believe the video is useful and helpful to you. Share the video with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and like this video so people will see the impression of the video and enjoy with you also. Thank you for watching the video. See you in our next part. You check the icon, the thumbnail, you will see where we up and what we need to do next. Thank you.